What is going on? So today we're cleaning another roof. So we have topped off our sodium hypochlorite. Mac is getting everything set up. He's already got the hose pulled, and this is actually a gray roof, which is black right now. So one of the main reasons people get their roofs cleaned, or one of the main reasons you should have your roof cleaned, is not only is it unsightly and decreases the curb appeal of your home, but it actually is destroying your roof. That is an algae up there, and that is eating away at the components that make up an asphalt shingle roof. There's limestone in there, and that is the main source of food for this algae. So as that algae eats, it's basically just destroying your shingles. The other thing is, as that algae grows, it turns black and darkens the roof, which attracts heat. So your roof is getting even more heat than normal. Sun is pounding down on it. It's heating up the interior of your house, which is costing you money because you're having to run that AC more. Just a couple of the things to think about if you're wanting to get your roof cleaned. So the last video that we posted on roof cleaning, we used a product called the Super Vic Pole Tip. And it did a great job in getting to some of these areas where the roof was not necessarily walkable. Now, because we've got some nice peaks and we've got some valleys, we're able to get up there and spray everything without having to use anything other than our typical soft wash gun. The backside was able to be hit almost completely from up top, but as you can see right along here, it's still dry, so we are going to need to spray that. And of course, Mac is down here making sure that we don't damage any plants by watering thoroughly. All right, so that one was pretty easy. We were able to walk most of the roof. We had to throw the ladder. I think we had 4 ladder moves, which is not bad at all. The roof is looking great. We are just finishing rinsing up everything, rinsing some of the windows, and gonna wrap everything up. That was an $800 roof, and it took about an hour. So we're off to do one more roof. All right, so I am pulling up, and Mac is already set up, and this is the next roof. So we do all kinds of properties, residential, commercial, multifamily. And this is an interesting one because it is not a huge house. They want their roof done, yet it is super tall. And the only way that we're gonna be able to do it is with this big 32-foot ladder. And Mac was gonna do it himself yesterday, but it is just a little bit too much for one person to handle. Plus, safety comes first, and it's always better to have 2 folks when you're doing a roof. So we are gonna throw that ladder up right there, get up. Now this is probably a 1,500 square foot home. Once we're up there, I think this roof, because it's flat, because it's super walkable, is really only gonna take probably 15 or 20 minutes. Let's get to it. So this is the neighborhood, and while there are a tremendous amount of dirty roofs all around, the roof I'm standing on does not have any algae buildup whatsoever on the front. The only place they have it is on this back side, which really is the most visible. So this is really only going to take us about 3 minutes. This is a rental property for one of our customers, and she had asked to have the house pressure washed, which we have already done, and the roof done. So as you saw, only one side needed the roof done up there, which was pretty nice. And just this little section right here, and there's 2 little small awnings on the front that we're gonna hit, and we'll be out of here. All in, 30 minutes here for roof cleaning. 2 roofs in about 2 hours, basically. It was a nice, very profitable day for us, and Mac is off going to do some other work. I am headed to the office, going to send out some invoices because that's what I like to do. And I hope you guys liked the video. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, but most importantly, have a great day.